Today I'm going to represent to you this platform which have cashed out their members $5 million using Amazon, PayPal, Bitcoin and Skrill too. So guys, this will be one of the best platforms that you have ever seen because even without any experience or any knowledge at all, you are going to use it and earn money. So this is a tricky method that not a lot of people know it how to use it in the right way. They might know the platform, but they might have used it in the wrong way. So today I'm going to represent to you a secret way of using this platform which will make you earn hundreds of dollars really quickly and really easily without getting tired at all. And guys, you can do this work by anywhere, so don't feel like you want to stay home. You can go out and use it. Just make sure you have a good and a strong internet connection. And what you will have to do is just follow up all of the steps that I'm going to explain throughout this video. Now, before I jump into those details, I would like to ask you first to subscribe to my YouTube channel, but also turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Let's jump over to the first platform that I want to represent to you, which is called Shorty ST. Now guys, I want to show you this platform because it's going to help you out to make some extra money despite the platform that I'm going to reveal to you very soon. So let me explain first what is Shorty.st. As you can understand by the name itself, and as you can see here, you can shorten different URLs because they might be really long and confusing for people. You can come over here and shorten them. Now, in my other videos, you probably have seen that I have used bit.ly.com. But today I'm using Shorty, and the reason is that it's a little bit different from bit.ly.com. Here you can get paid for shorten the links, and I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but let me explain to you. So whenever you are going to copy a link and shorten and Shorty ST, they are going to put an ad on it. So when they are going to put an ad, it means that whenever the people are going to click it, they first are going to watch an ad which is skippable, and then you are going to earn money just for people watching that ad. So this is how it's going to work out. Now guys, what you will have to do is of course find that platform that you are going to shorten the links, which I am going to let you know, because we are not going to grab like random affiliate links and shorten it and wait to make some money, because that will be much harder. In fact, you will need to check out also the payout rates because they change from one country to another. So one person from Sweden or Germany, it doesn't get paid the same as someone who's living in United States or United Kingdom, but still you're going to make a lot of money. Now guys, have in mind that Shorty will not be our first main income, so don't worry even though you are not going to earn a lot of money. This is basically for extra money. So what you will have to do is just click on join button, and then you are going to put the email confirmation, password, accept terms of use and privacy policy, prove that you are now a robot, and then click on that register button. So this is how everything will look as soon as you sign up and create that account. Here you are going to shorten the link and get paid. Now you're probably wondering and are curious to reveal to you the platform in which you are going to shorten the link, and that is called Superpayme.com. Now guys, Superpay.me is just a platform in which people can come and make random money by doing random things. Here you are going to make some extra money by taking quick surveys, offers, trials, games, videos, and more. They work with top legitimate survey companies like Your Surveys, Lucy, CPX, and other websites too. You're going to get fast payments in 24/7, and also you can withdraw your money even by having $1 on your account. It has some great benefits like great contests with $1,000 in which you can earn, and also you can work from home, and it's completely for free to join. Now what you will have to do is also check out a little bit of the reviews on Trustpilot. As you can see, they have 3,000 reviews and a 4.6 rating. Now, as you can understand, this is a truly legit website. People can use it and earn money. And if you're thinking that I'm going to tell you to take surveys or complete any contest, you are wrong, because we are not going to do anything like that. We are going to use this platform in a totally different way, which I will reveal to you really soon. Now guys, first you will need to create an account by registering in 30 seconds by putting your first name, last name, username, password again, email again, and then after finishing up, what you will have to do, this is how everything will look. Now guys, as I told you, you don't need to concentrate on paid surveys, offer walls, or anything like that. But if you want to, feel free, but you are just going to make some small amount of money. Well, with the referral program, which yes, we are going to use it, you are going to earn more money and also get passive incomes. You are going to share your referral link or referral banners below with family, friends on social media, or use as advertisements on other websites. For every new referral you bring, you will earn 25% of everything they earn, which means that you are going to get passive incomes. Just share the affiliate link and then just wait for people to sign up, and then you are going to get the money, the half of the money that they are going to earn, just as easy as that. And guys, if you're wondering how we are going to use this with Shorty, is just that when we grab the affiliate link, we are going to jump over to Shorty and shorten the link. So in this way, you are going to earn money also from Shorty, despite the fact that you are going to earn money by Superpayme. Now, where we are going to find the traffic source, because we need a lot of people, because the money here are really small, but if we get a big traffic source, you can earn up to $100. Now what you will have to do is go over to Google and search for a screen record, and then open Superpayme and represent all of the benefits that it has. After doing that and finishing up with the video, what you will have to do is publish the video. And we are not going to publish on YouTube because it will take a very long time to go viral. Instead, we are going to publish it on this platform over here called odc.com, which is basically like YouTube too. And here you are not going to find a lot of competition like in YouTube, because here it's going to be much easier for you to make the video go viral. You can also check out on SimilarWeb that the total visits that this platform gets are 30 millions. Now guys, what you will have to do is just create that video by representing Superpayme and publish on ODC and get those views, and you are going to put at the description the affiliate link, so when people are going to click it, you are going to earn money first because they will watch an ad from Shorty, and then you are going to get paid 25% on everything that people are going to earn on this website as soon as they sign up. This is how everything will work out, and I hope you have understood this. If not, then you can repeat watching it once again. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then please show us some support by liking this video and also by subscribing to our YouTube channel, so in this way you will never lose any new update.